What's up, this is the Bay925. I'm going to show you how to make a video widescreen on iPad and iPhone. This is if you capture gameplay from video games, or if you have your own videos that you want to do on YouTube, like vlogging or other videos, how to do them in widescreen. So if you capture it, or if you record it or film it, you have to get this software. So go to the store on your iPad or iPhone. Once you get that app, which is called Rush CC, you go back and you download it, and then once you're done, you open it, that video editing software, which is Rush CC, Adobe Rush CC, and then you ready to edit it. You add everything into the editing software and you are ready to edit it, and in that software you can make it widescreen. The free version only allows you 3 exports, so I would recommend buying it, and if not, just keep making accounts to keep using it. So this is how to make widescreen. So here's the video. I'm going to show you how to make widescreen, so keep watching. iPhone and iPad. So what you gotta do is download this app. It's Adobe Rush, and then once you download Adobe Rush, you'll be able to do that. So once you're done downloading Adobe Rush, make your account first. You don't have to pay for the first time. You get 3 free exports. I'll recommend buying it. It's only 10 bucks. But you create a project. Once you create the project, you can pick your clips that you want to be in there. So if you're gaming, but if it's already in there, you click the video you want, you go to the crop section right here, and then to maintain proportions, you check that box. You want to do height. You go to about 80, and then 80 will get you the widescreen effect. And that's all you do. You can adjust it however you want, and then you can do that to every clip you want widescreen. And then once you're done, you're gonna go to share, and then you can share to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and then you can pick whatever you want. The math settings will let you change how you want to render it or whatever. Then you press export. I usually save it to my library or local before going to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and then you can see your video in widescreen. And you get 3, so it works on iPad and iOS. You get 3 free ones. If you don't have money, you can keep making accounts, or you can just pay 10 bucks. So I would recommend getting Rush for making videos on YouTube. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. So I'm going to show you the video, a quick video I made. So here is the video in widescreen. As you can see, when I was editing, it was on full screen and I was able to make it widescreen. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and let me know if I should make a separate channel or if I should keep making these videos on my channel here. So please post in the comments, and thanks for watching. Later, peace out.